program.
Thank you.
And definitely keep letting us know how you're moving in your different activities. Right. I'm going to take you now to a report by Solomon Lewo, which is about how parents and their children came together for a particular challenge, and in the process also made projects with recycled material. Stay with us.
Having abandoned the benches and confines of the classroom for ages, the bigger challenge was for these mothers and fathers to join their sons and daughters to share and commune over a common platform for family discussion and for the welfare of their communities. It was called the Artificial Intelligence Family Challenge, which has its basic rules and regulations.
So we start by training the students and parents on how to use local materials as such which they can find in their homes to be able to construct very small projects. We have paper clips, we have cups, we have binder clips, we have a straw, we have aluminium foil, we have a scissors, and with just a battery that you can get from any store and a plastic cup, you can be able to, with a motor as well, you can be able to construct a safe stopping robot. Now this robot works only within this environment. Once it gets off this environment, it's not going to work again. Now this is trying to teach the students and parents the concept of the flow of energy. That energy flows in a closed chain, and if the chain of conduction is not closed, energy cannot flow. So we teach parents and children on how to use very small materials, common materials they see in their environment, to be able to build a solution to a problem that they face in their homes and in their environment.
Challenging indeed, but bringing parents and kids together was a wise decision.
It's a two-way kind of street. Parents learn from children and children learn from parents. So we kind of like erase the stereotypes where adults are the ones who know everything. We begin to realize that together when you work, you collaborate with the child, you learn from the child, and then the child learns from you. So there's an exchange at some level of information and of learning process.
With everyone encouraged to transform local materials to solve local problems, the urge was more on women to embrace the sciences.
We've for so long been talking about the importance and the need for women to be involved in technology, and then the collaborative learning where we can exchange. So men and women can actually share a common platform and share knowledge. They have something to bring onto the table. So when I work in a team where there are men, I have some contribution to make, they have some contribution to make, so together we build a better community. But if only men are building things, then there is one part of the building process that is missing. There is a missing piece in any device if a woman did not put in something about that device, and she has to use it. So the perspective of a woman must always be taken into account. So we are actually breaking the stereotypes where most times you will find something like this. You would typically expect boys to be running around with these kind of things, and it's fine. But what if girls were actually running around with it? You can see that these girls actually have something to add. They have their own touch, which the boys too have their own touch. So together we all make the world a better place.
After hours of inter-family challenge on the concept of artificial intelligence, the parents, like their children, got a take-home lesson.
So going back home, I think that it will be more easy to do this type of things because I discovered that we do it with simple material that we can even find anywhere. I think that it can be very useful in the house for some small type of stuff. It's been very difficult for me because I don't really know how to do it.
Yeah.
But to do an artificial intelligence like that is something new for me.
It creates the opportunity for me to communicate with my children. I've discovered even that at one time when I'm blocked, I call my son that please come and help me out. Even like things in the internet, I did not know how to create a box or what. But as I came back last week from this program, I had to call my son and say, please, I don't want to be challenged in the program. I don't want to be the one that will be right behind. So come and sit with me and try to tell me how to go about this. So this one will create an opportunity for me to always communicate with my children.
Coming to learn technology is something new. I'm very happy for it.
What is it you learned that probably you were ignorant about?
Well, I've learned a lot, because this thing is just practical. It's like easy, of which we were looking at something that is difficult. But from today, I see that there's nothing that is difficult.
New because my children and I have been trying to connect, doing some electronic work here, and it's really new because it is very practical and it is so easy. Meanwhile, since I've been schooling, I've not really gone through all these kind of things.
With artificial family intelligence geared towards local materials being fashioned to address local needs and development, its promoter gets it fitted into Cameroon's emerging plan for 2035.
For us to emerge, we should know where we are emerging to, right? And what is it we want to emerge to become? Emergence can go in so many ways. We can emerge to be people who don't know anything, and we can also emerge to be people who are knowledgeable and have skill about what it is they want to do. So we have chosen to emerge in new technologies, artificial intelligence, understanding what that is and how we can make use of what we find around us to be better.
The challenge continues every weekend to enable parents and most especially their girl children to be encouraged into the sciences and by implication using local materials to solve problems in their communities.
Hello, all of you. It's so beautiful. I hope that you continue and that you have a sustainable project going there. Sustainable in the sense that you do it continuously so that many parents will have the chance to mix with their children about what was that topic? Artificial intelligence. Wow, that's something we need to know more about. So let's talk now about job opportunities. Kembe Ngochi is right here on the set with me. Kembe, good morning.
Good morning, Pochi.
How are you?